How to fix Instagram professional account not switching back to personal account. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch Instagram. Now head over to your profile page, click on three bars given at the top right. Now scroll down, navigate to the option Creator Tools and Controls. Now here you're going to find different option. Click on the option Switch Account Type. With this, you're gonna get this kind of pop-up, switch to personal account or business account. Now you can select the option switch to personal account. With that, your account will be switched. But in case you are not getting this kind of pop-up or you are not able to switch to personal account, you can follow these steps. Hit back. Now close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then launch it. Then navigate to settings and activity page, log out of your Instagram account, then again log in back. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is scroll down, click on the option help, click on report a problem, click on report problem without shaking, click on don't include and continue. Now here briefly explain about the issue that you want to switch back to personal account but you are not able to do that. Then you can send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. So these are some fixes for Instagram professional account not switching to personal account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.